Hey, what's up my fellow drummer? I'm Kesley Hayes, your drum teacher, and if you're looking to master the foundations of drumming and take your playing to the next level, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you the essential drum rudiments every drummer needs to know to improve speed, accuracy, and control, whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills. Stick around for game-changing tips. Today, we are breaking down the 4 essential drum rudiments every drummer needs to know: the single and double strokes, the flams, drags, and paradiddle. Plus, I'll give you some practice tips to boost your speed and accuracy. First, we're gonna do the single stroke roll, one of the most fundamental rudiments in drumming. The name explains itself, is essentially one hit per hand, one stroke, a single stroke. All right, so this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. One simple exercise that I do and I teach my students to help building muscle memory, speed, and control is this one, where you're gonna play 1 hit per beat, and then 2, 3, and then eventually 4. You can do also after 6 hits or 8, depending on what speed you're doing and what is comfortable for you. So this is how it goes. The second is double stroke roll. And the opposite of the single stroke, now you're gonna hit 2 strokes per hand, like this. This one is very simple, and you can utilize this rudiment in so many parts on the drum, so many like grooves or fills, but it's all about muscle memory and control and the rebound of the head, the pad, in this case the pad, and the stick. You can start very slow. And then essentially go fast. As you could tell, when I'm doing slower, I'm using more movement. As faster as I get, more relaxed I need to be, and more rebound I gotta utilize. Now let's talk about the drags. Man, this rudiment is one of my favorites because it can give you so much possibility and adds a lot of flavor to your grooves and fills. It's very simple. It's essentially you hitting 2 ghost notes followed by 1 hit, like this. When you practice it, focus on your ghost notes. Make sure them both are the same speed, the same level, the same strength. I don't want you to have a drag that's very inconsistent. Sometimes the first note is loud and then the second note quiet. So I want it to be like And now we're going to talk about flames. Flames are very important, extremely easy to understand initially, but once you master it, there's endless possibilities. By the name, you can kind of guess how it's supposed to sound. Sounds kind of like the name, phlegm, phlegm. Instead of like phlegm, it sounds phlegm. That's how you sound has to be. Instead of being a single stroke, you're gonna go up together, your both hands, and then when you go down, one goes first. Once you master it, you're gonna have endless possibilities with so many combinations with other rudiments. Finally, the paradiddle. This one is a combination of single and double strokes, such as this. And it's a great way to work on coordinations and control. You can start with the single paradiddle, which is this one. We say single paradiddle because you do only one single stroke, and then followed by one double strokes. We have also the double paradiddle, which is two single strokes, and then one double strokes. So let's play this exercise, which is just playing slow the single paradiddle, and eventually speed it up as we get comfortable with it. All right, let's play with me. So now we can do the double paradiddle. Let's start slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you've got the essential rudiments down, I encourage you to practice them regularly. They are the foundation of everything you do as a drummer. If you are consistent, you will notice a huge improvement in your speed, control, and overall musicality. But if you want to take a step further and really dive deep into mastering these rudiments, I got you. I've put together the Hands on Fire course. In this course, we go beyond the basics, breaking down advanced practice techniques, building speed and endurance, and showing you how to use these rudiments creatively across your entire kit. The course is designed to help drummers who are serious about improving. So if you're looking to push yourself and accelerate your progress, I would love for you to check it out. There's a link in the description below with all the details. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you will see amazing results. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.